how to log into Instagram if you forgot your password and you want to log in it without email and phone number. For that, first of all, launch your Instagram application. There you will see forgot password option, tap on it. On the top you will see can't reset your password option, simply go through it. Then your help center will be opened. Now from here choose what to do if you forgot your Instagram username. And at the last, you will see was this helpful? Simply tap on no and then select other. From here, you can briefly describe what's your issue. And if you remember a word or last name of your username, then do not forget to write it over there and Instagram team will help you out. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.